Welcome to your channel, Journey Around the Planet. Origin of the name Jerusalem. Etymology. The etymology of the name Jerusalem is interpreted in various ways. One interpretation suggests that it means the foundation, derived from the Semitic root wairai, meaning to found or to lay a cornerstone, of the pagan god Shalem. In this context, Shalem was considered the original protective deity of the Bronze Age city. Shalem, or Shalem, on the other hand, was the name of the god associated with dusk in the Canaanite religion. This name is rooted in the same SLM root, from which the Hebrew word for peace, shalom in Hebrew, cognate with Arabic salam, is derived. This association led to alternative etymologies such as the city of peace, abode of peace, dwelling of peace, interpreted as founded in safety, or vision of peace, as suggested by some Christian authors. The dual ending, Ayim in Yerushalayim, suggests that the name refers to the city initially being situated on two hills. In the Hebrew Bible and Jewish sources, the term Jerusalem or Yerushalayim makes its initial appearance in the book of Joshua. According to a midrashic interpretation, the name is a fusion of two names divinely united. The first is Yireh, meaning the abiding place, a name ascribed by Abraham to the location where he intended to sacrifice his son. And the second is Shalem, signifying place of peace, a name bestowed by the high priest Shem, oldest recorded mention of Jerusalem. The earliest non-biblical Hebrew inscription featuring the word Jerusalem dates back to the 6th or 7th century BCE and was unearthed in 1961 at Khirbet Beit Lay near Beit Guvrin. The inscription reads, "I am Yahweh thy God, I will accept the cities of Judah, and I will redeem Jerusalem." Alternatively, some scholars propose an interpretation that states, Yahweh is the God of the whole earth. The mountains of Judah belong to him, to the God of Jerusalem. There is also an older example on papyrus from the preceding century. The city's name was transliterated as Hierosolima in Greek and Latin. In Greek, hieros, Ieros, means holy. However, during a portion of the Roman period, the city was renamed Aelia Capitolina. Origin of the name Jerusalem. Arabic names. In Arabic, Jerusalem is commonly referred to as El-Quds, transliterated as Al-Quds, signifying the holy or the holy sanctuary, which is cognate with the Hebrew HKDSH, romanized as Ha-Kodesh. The name is possibly a condensed version of Madinat al-Quds, Madanat al-Quds, translating to City of the Holy Sanctuary, similar to the Hebrew nickname with the same meaning, Ir HaKodesh, Ir HaKDSH. The P, Q, is pronounced with either a voiceless uvular plosive, Q, as in Classical Arabic, or with a glottal stop, as in Levantine Arabic. According to official Israeli government policy, the Arabic name for the city is Urushalim, transliterated as Urushalem, often used in Christian translations of the Bible into Arabic. This is combined with Al-Quds, resulting in Urushalim Al-Quds, Urushalem Al-Quds. Families from Jerusalem may be referred to as Qudsi, Qudsi, or Maqdasi, Maqdisi, while Palestinian Muslim residents may use these terms as a demonym. If you found this exploration of the derivation of the name Jerusalem intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share this video with fellow history enthusiasts.